here is, oh my. So now what, are you gonna put this out?
Yeah.
Rocco, come by me.
Come here, Rocco.
Okay, and then there's... Rocco, what are you thinking right now? Are you okay? You didn't get touched.
Yeah.
You're good?
Little smoke.
Yeah.
Mom, the tree is gone.
The fire department's coming.
There it is. Can you guys see the...
It needs more flame. Yeah! It needs more flame. I'm saying it.
More flamage?
Yeah. Like more gas.
You could go fly the drone for Blake, and then he can put some more on there. Rocco wants more flame. Rocco wants more flame.
Okay, you jump with him.
I can't drop it.
Okay.
Jump.
More fire on there, baby.
More flame. No, this is gonna make me so famous on YouTube. Go now! Jump! Yeah, Wow! Oh!
What do you think, Rocco?
I think we need to call the fire department.
No, me too.
How are we gonna get it out?
Daddy will get it out.
Yeah! He goes! A little bit more! Yeah, look at it! He goes through the fireplace! Hi! Hi up there! Yeah! 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 Yeah!
No hander?
Yeah! Yeah, Loki! Yeah! Yeah, Loki! Yeah! Yeah, Loki! Awesome!
Good job, dude.
Oh my god, come on. Like, I'm having
Hurry!
Yeah, Lucy! That was awesome! Did you see him take off his hands when he jumped over the fire?
I didn't see him. I was fine. I was able to set the drone down and run away.
Awesome.